Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into this silk press tutorial. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair and I'm using the C Curl Foam Silk Styler. I'm gonna link it below. I don't know if that's the name for by Hydratherma Naturals. And I'm just using that to moisturize my hair. And okay, y'all just see me detangle with the brush. Now I'm just breaking my hair down into sections and going in with the blow dryer on high heat. I like to just take the section of the hair that I parted and hold it like how I'm doing and just using the blow dryer along the strands like that. I just think that's a easier way to blow dry with like less manipulation than brushing it through. So I just brush it through with the brush separately and then I go in with the blow dryer. All right, so we're halfway done with blow drying and I'm just gonna get the other side. I also just want to show you guys, this is what I do with my wisdom lock when I'm styling my hair and I just want to put it up out the way. I just put it in a little bantu knot and secure it with a hairpin, just so while I'm blow drying, you know, it's not getting tugged on unnecessarily. So just doing that. And then we're gonna get right back into blow drying this part of my head. Now that I'm done blow drying, I'm attaching the brush to the blow dryer and I'm just going in and just applying more heat with the blow dryer. I want to get it as straight as possible as I can with blow drying. I also saw this tip from a hairstylist that I follow on Instagram. I can't remember who posted it, but basically if you want to lay your kitchen, your edges down, using a foam to just go in and then using a scarf to just secure it before you even apply heat, because it's going to make it easier to straighten. My kitchen in the back does tend to curl up a lot when I straighten it, so I loved that I seen that tip. And now that I've had my hair straightened for a few days, I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't know if that helped, but I haven't sweat anything out yet, so I felt like that was a bomb tip. Now we're about to get into the actual flat ironing part. So I did use a comb to just part it into small sections to tingle, and then go in with the flat iron on 450. I think it was on 450, and I just did like one or two passes depending on the section of the hair. The curls on the back of my head are a little bit more textured than the ones on the front, so I was doing different passes for different areas. And I did bump the ends. I went through at the end and bumped my ends a little bit after I finished straightening. So yeah, very simple, very straightforward. And this is a ceramic straightener, so minimal heat damage. I'm gonna link this below if I can find a similar one, if not the one I bought. Okay. Alright, y'all, so here are the results. This is my first time applying heat since like 2018. So the growth is crazy. I haven't seen my hair looking this long in a good minute. Let me know how y'all like it in the comments below, and leave me all your silk press tips for next time I do this. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.